In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert documents to Google formats in Google Drive. By the end, you'll have a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file converted to Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, ready to edit and share inside Google Drive. First, open Google Drive. In your browser, go to drive.google.com. You'll land on your Drive homepage where you can see your folders and files. Next, upload file .docx/.xlsx/.pptx. At the top left, click New, then click File Upload. In the file picker, select the document you want to convert. This can be a .docx Word file, an .xlsx Excel file, or a .pptx PowerPoint file, and confirm to start the upload. Watch the progress in the bottom right corner. Wait until the upload shows as complete so the file appears in your Drive list. Now, right-click File. Locate the file you just uploaded in your Drive. When you see it, right-click on the file name to open the context menu. Click Open With. In the menu, move your cursor to Open With to reveal the available Google editors for this file. Choose Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Pick the app that matches your file type. Choose Google Docs for a Word document, Google Sheets for an Excel workbook, or Google Slides for a PowerPoint presentation. Click the correct option to continue. File Auto Converts. The file opens in a new browser tab inside the Google editor you selected. Google Drive automatically creates a converted Google version and saves it to your Drive. The original .docx, .xlsx, or .pptx file remains in your Drive unchanged, so you can always go back to it if needed. Yeah, you don't have to click anything special to save. The Google version saves automatically as you work. Look near the document title for a brief Save to Drive message to confirm. If you uploaded a Word document and opened it with Google Docs, you'll see the Google Docs interface with familiar editing tools along the top. If it was an Excel workbook and you opened it with Google Sheets, you'll see your sheets, rows, and columns ready to edit. For a PowerPoint deck open with Google Slides, you'll see your slides and the slide navigator on the left. The content is now in the Google format, so features like real-time collaboration, comments, and version history are available. From here, your converted file will appear back in your Drive with a Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides icon. The file name will match your original unless you choose to rename it. If you ever need to confirm the conversion, look for the Google Editor icon next to the file name in Drive, not the Microsoft Office icon. That indicates the file is fully converted to a Google format. If the Open With menu didn't display the Google Editor you expected, make sure the file is one of the supported types, .docx, .xlsx, or .pptx. Refresh the page and try again if the upload just finished and the menu hasn't updated yet. As long as the file is one of these formats, opening it with the matching Google Editor will convert it. At this point, you've opened Google Drive, uploaded your Office file, right-clicked it, selected Open With, chosen the correct Google Editor, and the file auto-converted. Your document is now in a Google format and ready to use. It says the conversion is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.